I'm going to count to 10, and you better hide, 'cause you know I'm going to find you. Poppy, where's a good place to hide? He knows all of our favorite hiding spots. I know he does. There aren't very many good places left. We can look over here, or over there, or over here. Where is a good place to hide from Branch? 1, 2, 3, 4. Poppy, we don't have much time. Let's get looking, okay? We can go anywhere. Let's just hide. 5, 6, 7. Poppy, bury me behind these poof balls real fast. Oh, you're good to go. You're pretty hidden. Okay, me. 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Under here. Wow, everyone's hiding so well today. I can't find anybody. What if I just head over this way? Hey, we don't have any yellow poof balls here. I think I know who's back there. Viva, I found you. Oh, good job, Branch. You found me really fast this time. But now to find Poppy. I wonder where she could be. Whoa! When did this hill get here? Whoa! There you are. You found me, Branch. That was so much fun. I feel like we play hide and go seek every day. Is there something else you guys want to do? I mean, what other kind of fun is there around here? What if we went to Slime Hill? We can make some personalized slime. Whoa, that sounds like we can have a lot of fun. Yeah, let's make some personalized slime. What a great idea. Today we are going to make some personalized slime for our trolls. Let's start by making the slime for Branch. Branch has purples and blues. So let's add some purple and definitely some clear slime. Now we can add our ingredients to the glue. Some purple sparkles, some blue sparkles. Whoa, that's a lot. And what about these fun blue beads? Ooh, look at that. Before we add our activator, let's mix this all together and see if we like the way our glue looks so far before we make it into a slime. That looks amazing. This will make this glue turn into slime. Let's give it some mixes. And you can see it start clumping together. Let's test it with our fingers. Whoa, this is starting to look so good. Check this out. This is Branch's personalized slime. Time to add a little branch figure, a purple leaf, a blue pom-pom, and maybe even a purple pom-pom. Whoa, that looks fantastic. The next slime we'll make will be for our Queen Poppy. When I think of Poppy, I think of pink. Let's go ahead and add some pink sparkle glue. Some clear glue. For Poppy, I'm adding a pink sparkle bead. We can find that at the end. Some super pink glitter. A different shade of pink glitter. Whoa! And one more shade of pink. Well, if this doesn't make you think of Poppy, I don't know what will. Look how sparkly this is. Let's mix it all together. Ooh! And now let's add the activator to make the slime. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Let's carefully mix it. It will be so sticky at first, but at the end it's going to look amazing. Check it out. Poppy's glittery slime. It looks Poppy-licious. Now it's time for us to make it even more Poppy with a little Poppy figure, a cute surfboard, another little one, a big pink pom-pom, and a little pom-pom. Whoa, that looks perfect for Poppy. And where's that bead? Let's stretch it. Look, I found it. There's our hidden gem. For our last one, we're going to do Viva. I don't have any yellow glue, so we're going to start out with a clear base of just white. And since I don't really have yellow colors, I'm going to use these glow-in-the-dark stars, as well as some fishbowl beads, and start mixing this concoction all together. Wow, that looks so pretty actually, and so different. Now to add our activator, and like always, mix it slowly all together. Ooh, this one's so fun. With those fishbowl beads, I mean, they are kind of falling out, but whoa, those colors. This one looks fantastic. Of course, for Viva, we're going to add her character right to the middle. What do you think? It looks great. Whoa, Fun Island really let our creativity shine today. Can't wait to come back to Fun Island next week. I wonder what we can do. I have an idea, Branch. What is it? Bury you in the pom-pom field.